Hi, today I'll be showing you another feature of the new pdfToolbox 4.5 from Callas software. Today I'll be showing you how to create bleed and add trim marks and bleed marks to your PDF files. One of the many problems that face printers is having PDF supplied without any bleed or any trim marks when it comes to printing. So I'm just going to show you these new features in pdfToolbox. First I'll open up my test PDF file by dragging over the open PDF document. As you can see, this PDF has no bleed marks or trim marks present. The PDF size is exactly A4, as you can see down the bottom here, that it's 21 by 29.7 centimeters. So first, to create the bleed, we'll go up to the pdfToolbox switchboard and click on the Pages option. Under the Pages options, you'll see a Create Bleed option. I want you to click on that option. Now I will set the required bleed. For this example, I'm just going to leave that at 3 mil for the required bleed and leave the default maximum distortion at 5%. I will now execute to create the bleed. Okay, the PDF now has been slightly enlarged to apply that 3 mil bleed all the way around. The next step is to go back to the switchboard and add bleed marks and trim marks to the PDF. So I'm just going to select the switchboard icon and go into the pre-press options. Under the pre-press options, you'll see a feature saying add trim marks. So I'm going to select that option. You have the option to add bleed marks as well as trim marks. First of all, I'll deselect the bleed marks just to show you how it works to apply only trim marks at this stage. I'm going to leave the offset at 3 mil. You do have the option to select either inch or point. I'll leave it at millimeters, and now I'll execute to create the trim marks. First, save the PDF. You can see now that the trim marks have now been applied. I'll go back to add bleed marks now by just selecting the Add Marks feature down the bottom and clicking the Bleed Marks checkbox. If I execute again, I'll save over the top. Now you can see that I have my bleed marks on the outside, my trim marks on the inside. Now the PDF is ready for print. For any further information on pdfToolbox, please contact Color Process.